Reinna, and remember that time when I asked you on my Instagram account which makeup tutorial should I record first? Well, the choices were a Cheryl Blossom inspired makeup tutorial or a Victoria's Secret inspired makeup tutorial. Let me explain kung bakit yun yung choices. So, di ba ang layo from a character from a TV series? Netflix series to a fashion runway model makeup look. What? So, hindi ko din alam kung bakit ko pinagtambal yung dalawang yun. Pero, kasi, hello, it's Victoria's Secret season. Like, every December or November, nagkakaroon sila ng runway and then i-air nila yon sa TV on December. So, medyo December 5 and sometimes New Year's Eve. Ina-air nila yan sa TV. And then, for Cheryl Blossom's makeup look, I don't know. Nagbe-binge watch kasi ako ng Riverdale last time. And then, I got inspired by her makeup. So, I know she has different looks. But, ang kinuha kong look sa kanya, if ever nagagawin ko nga siya ng makeup tutorial, is yung iconic red lips and then the dark eyes. Although, sa run na ng show, hindi naman siya masyado nag-eye makeup. More on light makeup lang siya. Ang nanalo ay... Wait lang, I really forgot who the winner is and double check ko lang din. Cheryl Blossom! Although I wasn't expecting that, ang in-expect ko is Victoria's Secret makeup tutorial since yun nga, season ng Victoria's Secret. But, anyways, gagawin ko din naman yung isa. Why not? So, thank you very much for all those who voted on my IG poll. I wasn't really expecting na may mag-engage kasi minsan na lang nagtakuha pa sila ng stories ko. Speaking of social media accounts, do follow me on my IG account and Facebook page and Twitter. Alam ng mga current followers ko na I reply to their DMs, I reply to their comments. Kung ano man yung tanong nyo sa akin, replyan ko kayo basta wag lang financial. Also, I ask you guys to recommend some new YouTube channels for me to watch, I think, or for me to shout out on my IG story. And then there were two lovely ladies who replied on my IG story. So please do subscribe on their channels as well. So they are Gelay Sabalboro and Lorraine Kahongkoy. So I'll have their YouTube channels linked down below in the description box. So medyo tumatagal na tong intro natin, and so let's go ahead and get started. Like every other makeup gurus or other makeup enthusiasts know, so the first thing that you're going to do is to do skincare. So, toner, moisturizer, acne solution, acne gels, and then put on your primer and then put on a foundation. So, I'll just do my skincare and my primer and I'll be right back. Primer's already on. So, dahil nga medyo pale ang color ni Cheryl Blossom, I'm going to use Maybelline's Fit Me Foundation in the shade 115. So, wala siyang shade name. So, unlike my usual routine na ginagamit ko for blending my foundation is a brush, I'm going to use this sponge. I don't have a beauty blender, that's why I'm going to use this sponge from Nichiro, I think, or Ever Bilena, and just blend my foundation. And after doing your foundation, you should do your concealers. After that, I wanna do baking, and I'm going to use my crushed Max Factor Creme Puff pressed powder. And then powder the rest of my face with a loose powder. Hindi ko rin pagtatagal masyado yung pressed powder kanina sa face ko, so I'll just dust it off agad. So after setting your face with the loose powder and the pressed powder, or baking your face with the blah, or baking your face, you're going to contour your face. After putting on your bronzer stick, you're going to set it with a bronzing powder. So I'm going to use my BYS Contour Trio. And it's this. So lalagyan mo lang ng powder yung mga nilagyan mo nung contour stick. So what I wanna talk about is kung bakit hindi na ako consistent mag-upload ng videos sa aking YouTube channel. And hindi na rin ako masyadong active last time after nung giveaway sa IG account ko. So, the first reason is because ako po ay lagi nag-gym araw-araw, Monday to Thursday. Kasi I wanna be fit. So, ang tagal ko nang sinasabi sa sarili ko, gusto ko mag-exercise, gusto mag-gym, gusto ko pumayat. Yeah. Another reason why I go to the gym is to lose some weight. But although ang dami nagsasabi na I don't need to. Luckily, I have 4 office mates slash gym buddies slash friends that also wanted to go to the gym. So, we've been going to the gym for 3 months now, and I hope you're seeing some progress. Another reason why I wasn't here that much is because I'm so busy with my job. And alam niyo naman, hobby ko ang mag-film, mag-makeup, and everything, mag-cover. But I also have to do my job. Kailangan ko kumita kasi kung hindi, wala pang bili ng makeup. Those are the reasons why I'm not uploading that much. So, after ng ating bronzer is the blush. I don't know why every time I say blush, like blush. Dun sa picture, it doesn't look like she has a blush on her face, but gusto ko meron. So, I don't know. I'm fond of dati nung high school ako, never ako nag-blush, never ako nag-kilay, never ako nag-lip tint. Unless nung 4th year. But then, nung college, puro ko lipstick. Doon na nagsimula ang hilig ko sa makeup. For the blush, I'm going to use my Inglot blush. It's not, so wala siyang shade name. So, it's a very pink blush. Kapag ganito sumobra yung tingkad ng blush na, you don't have to worry. Lagi tayong may panglaban dyan. Kung sumobra kayo sa pagpa-blush, all you need to do is use a powder brush and blend your blush. So, medyo itotone down niyo yung kulay ng blush nyo. And if hindi nag-work, lagyan nyo lang na ng powder and then you're good to go. For the eyebrows, so she is a redhead and I'm a brunette. So I'm just going to use my BYS brow gel in the shade Natural Brown. Which Riverdale character is your favorite? So let me know in the comment section below. And also please let me know what episode you're in already. And please don't spoil me if ever na nauuna na kayo kaysa sa akin. So, the latest episode that I watched was yung nagkaroon na ng throwbacks, yung parents ng mga main characters. So, I'm also not going to spoil you, syempre. Mamagalit kayo sa akin. That last episode was really fun. Nakatuwa sila, like, hindi mo akalain na ganun pala sila mga parents nila before. I'm going to put on a brow mascara. So, medyo nahihilig ulit ako maglagay ng brow mascara. I don't know why. But, yeah, it makes my brows look fuller and fixed. Yeah. Hindi siya gumagalaw kasi pagka may brow mascara. Brow cara. But now that our brows are done, syempre, we're going to head on over our eyeshadow. I'm just going to put on my eye primer. Although wala naman ang puputahan ngayong gabi, I'm from work, kaya ako nakabihis, guys. Lahat kasi ng friends ko for tonight, may sariling lakad. So, wala akong kasama, kaya diretso uwi ako. So, I decided to film. So, I forgot to tell you that I'm just setting the eye primer with a white eyeshadow from my H&M palette. So, yung eyeshadow niya kasi medyo hawig dun sa hair color niya. And it's a burnt orange. So, I don't want to repeat what I did last week. So, I'm just going to use a medium brown eyeshadow to be my transition shade using a blending brush. We're going to use another blending brush and then put on a dark brown eyeshadow on the outer corners of your eyes. After putting on dark brown eyeshadow on your outer corners, you should drag it down as well on your lower lash line, on your lower outer lash, on your outer lower lash line. We could make it darker and put on a black eyeshadow on the outer corner. So for that, I'm just going to use an angled blending brush. So did you know that Ethel got slammed because of kissing Jughead on the TV show? Like, the real life Ethel. Inaway siya ng mga netizens dahil daw nakipag-kiss siya kay Cole Sprouse. Like, masyado nadala yung mga fans, emotion nila, and inaway nila yung totoong tao dahil dun sa scene na yun. Now that the darker shades are done, medyo naging sobrang dark na din ang makeup natin for this look. We're going to deal with the inner corners right now. Babalik ako sa aking NYX palette. I'm going to use these two shades right here. So, pag-mixing ko sila. And put it in the inner corners of the eyes. So, this makeup look is also good for events. I think, hindi lang siya pang character makeup. So, hindi lang siya pang cosplay. Could use this as a glow makeup. Just put on more glitter and glow and you're good to go. Ooh! Rhyming, girl. With a non-rapper. Char. And the next thing that we're going to do is her eyeliner. So, for the eyeliner, I think naka-tight line lang siya. Wala siyang wing sa kanyang eyes. So, we're not going to do a winged eyeliner, but instead, we're going to tight line with Everbelena's eyeliner. For the lower lash line, I didn't continue my eyeliner until the end kasi it doesn't look like she has. After putting on your eyeliner, syempre, kapag ganito lang yan, ka-plain, hindi siya masaya. So, we have to put on our falsies! So, dito na naman na magtatagal. Yay! So, I'll be back. Kala ko di ako nag-record, like, oh my god, panic mode. So for the falsies, I'm going to use my Miniso false eyelashes. So I think this is just 100 pesos. And this false eyelashes name is called Reinna. Reinna? And then so I'm going to use my Miniso tweezers, eyelash tweezers. Whew! In fairness, ngayon hindi ako nagtagal ng 13 minutes. Wow! Improving! So, there we go. That's our lashes. I did it. Now that we're done with the eyelashes, I won't put on any mascara kasi the eyelashes are doing its job. Last step. So, yeah. Sabi ko sa inyo, madali lang naman itong makeup look na to. For the lipstick, I'm going to use my only super red lipstick. The Matte in Detail one. And it doesn't have a shading. So, ang tagal na din sa nito. And sobrang hirap yung tanggalin. Like, oh my god, kaya hindi ko ito masyadong ginagamit. But for tonight, I'm going to use it just for this look. And this is my final transformation for the Cheryl Blossom makeup look. If you do like this look, please do give this video a like and hit subscribe on my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos not every week. So that's it, you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!